Hello guys, so today is Wednesday. DIY tayo, no? Magpapalit tayo ng wheel nut. Ano yung wheel nut? Yan yung kinakapitan ng lug nut. So kita nyo, wala yung isa, naputol ko, na over torque ko kasi ginamit ako ng hey, stop! Tinaguan ko yung mga aso dito na rin para sa labas. Yan, so palit tayo nyan. And palitan na rin natin itong itong mga disc na to. Bakit? Kasi nung nagpalit ako ng brake, ay hindi, ano ginawa ko last time, nag-adjust ako ng brakes. Nagpalit ako ng brakes, umingay. So sabi ko baka warp na yan. Okay, so palitan natin yung harap lang muna. And then ito na yung binili ko sa eBay na pamalit na wheel nut. So kung tataka rin ako ba't naputol siguro June na rin maputol yan. Yun lang ang naputol isa lang buti nga isa tapos bumili na ako extra na lug nut. So ito yung wheel nut. Okay guys, first step, remove the tire. So this is the broken wheel nut. So remove the brake caliper, size 19, backside 2 bolts. Okay, brake caliper is out. Make sure you have something to hang it on. Now we can remove this. Take it off with one hand. Okay. And this will need a little persuasion. I think we need heat. Let's see if I can tap it. Nope. Okay, by the way, quick check of your rotor. If it is warped, it's not sitting flat. See, it's warped on this side, not much on that side, not on this side, but here. So some heat. I think it's hot enough. Let's try. There you go. I think it moved. There you go. Whew. Done. Okay, new wheel nut. New wheel nut. Huh. Should be in here. Okay, I put the shifter to neutral. Now we can move it. It's still hot. We can insert it here. There you go. And it will tighten later when we'll tighten it later. New rotor. This rotor. go. Clean. Okay. Okay, now let's just put it back together. Put it back together. Start with this. Hopefully no noise anymore after replacing the rotors. Okay, here's how I pull it out. I pull it out means to seat it properly. There's no way you can't put the tire on with the nut still moving. Okay, I think at least start it. Okay, this was my spacer. Okay, it's firm. Okay guys, tapos na no. Nakabit ko na yung gulong. Inip na yung mga aso ko. Sa kabila, pinalitan ko lang yung yung brake rotors, yung rotor, no? So, ganun din naman, papalit lang madali. Pero second time ko lang yata gumawa magpalit ng wheel stud. So, I don't know magkano i-charge sa inyo, no? Magpalit ng wheel stud. Medyo mahirap siyang pukpukin para matanggal. Kailangan mo talaga ng heat. So, yan, nakatipid na naman tayo. So, with that, tatapusin ko na yung video na to. So, syempre kailangan ko ng brake cleaner. Dapat walang mga mga grasa bago na yung rotor. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.